Hello everyone. Switch this over here. Today I am going to watch a video called One Guy, One Screwdriver. A video I just recently heard about and I decided to watch it for the first time ever. And for the safety precaution, I'm going to use my headphones because I'm afraid something strange might happen. You know, you never know how this weird shit comes around. Alright, let's watch it. Oh my god. Oh, that's wrong. Wrong! Wrong! Oh! Oh! Oh my god, that's so wrong! Oh! Oh, my eyes! Oh! What is this? Oh! Oh! Oh my god, how could he do that to his penis? Oh! Oh, my brain has been scarred. Oh my god. This is worse than Two Girls in One Cup. Oh. Alright, okay, that's the end of the video. Oh my god.